Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID password on any trusted device on your account. This is something that you might want to do every once in a while, as security and compromised passwords are a constant issue nowadays. For this example, we're going to be changing it on an iPhone. To get started, open the Settings app. At the top, tap your name with Apple ID, iCloud, Media, and Purchases. Next, select Password and Security in the top section. In here, select Change Password and then enter your iPhone's passcode. You'll then be able to enter your new password that you want to use. Once you enter it in a second time to verify, tap Change on the top right. You'll then be prompted if you want to sign all of your other devices out that are signed in with your Apple ID. This option is up to you. If you feel that someone has gotten a hold of your password, go ahead and choose Sign Out Other Devices. If not, and you don't want to go through the hassle of re-signing all of your devices back in, choose Don't Sign Out. Once you make your decision, it will then change your password to the new one and you can close settings. And that's how you change your Apple ID password on an iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.